In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail tasks to track to-dos. We'll walk through a simple way to set up a basic to-do list right inside your Gmail account, so you can keep track of what you need to do without leaving your inbox. First, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account and looking at your inbox. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical panel with a few small icons. One of those icons looks like a blue circle with a check mark inside it. That's the tasks icon. Go ahead and click on that. When you click it, a narrow panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. This is your Gmail tasks panel, where all your to-dos will live. Next, inside this panel, look for the option that says Add a Task. You'll usually find it near the top or in the main area of the panel. Click on Add a Task. This is what you'll use anytime you want to add a new item to your to-do list. For now, we're going to set up your list structure first. To keep things organized, it's helpful to group your tasks into lists. In the Tasks panel, find the option that says Create New List. This might appear in a drop-down at the top of the panel or as a button, depending on your layout. Click on Create New List. A small box will appear asking you to name your new list. In the name field, type To Do. This will be the main list where you can keep general tasks you need to complete. You can always create more lists later, for example for work, personal tasks, or specific projects, but starting with a simple to-do list keeps things clean and easy. Once you've typed to do as the list name, look for the Done button in that box. Click on Done to save the new list. You should now see your to-do list selected in the Tasks panel, ready for you to start adding items. From here, you can click Add a Task